LKA.
I'm packing a suitcase, leaving town. So if you look real close, you might see me in the background.
Mau kemana kita?
Maybe nervous, maybe not. But if I don't leave now, I'm never gonna get what I want. It's got me thinking, what if I never see the forest or the trees? Those double doors are golden, do they open? What if we never run? Then I guess we'll never know that the world has just begun, and the best is yet to come. And the best is yet to come.